we are proceeding towards the next drawing in the video, which is a cat. You have already observed the type of the fist we are using to make our outline for the cat. After making the outline, we are using the same pen to draw more features such as eyes, mustache, nose, tails of our cat. After that, we are using different shades of blue color to color the cat. Make sure you are not spilling the colors outside the outline of the cat. You can see how we are adding shades of a same color to our drawing. It will look very beautiful. Now let's proceed towards our next drawing in the video, which is a tiger. And you have already observed the type of the fist we have used to make the outline of our drawing by the help of a black sketch pen. After that, we are adding more features such as stripes. Now we are filling them with the same black sketch pen. We are drawing the legs and the tails of the tiger. Now we will fill the color in the body of the tiger with the help of different shades of the orange color. We will fill the tail, front body and the inner sides of the ear of the tiger with darker shades of orange. Thanks for watching our video tutorial.